morning. We're here with Joe Darlock from Damiani Concrete, pouring a foundation wall for our new model in the town of Clarence. Joe, can you tell us a little bit about what's going on here this morning?
Yeah, Dave, as you can see behind us, we have our foundation walls erected with our aluminum forms, and the guys are currently placing the concrete inside the form, doing their vibrational work, and also finishing the top of the wall so that's smooth and level, dimensionally correct, and ready for the next phase of the construction, which is framing carpentry.
And the levelness of the top of the wall, that's important?
Oh yeah, very important. It's very important that the top is level, probably more critical than actually dimensional correctness of the foundation. And our tolerances are generally plus or minus 1/4 inch level on top of the foundation wall.
Is there anything different about what you do with the process and the types of materials that you use versus some of the other foundation contractors?
Yeah, I believe that the forming system that we use for our foundation system, they're aluminum formed, so we have less seams in the wall that are visible to the eye. Also, we're able to achieve a much smoother, much more aesthetically pleasing finish on the foundation wall. We also use 3,000 PSI concrete with super plasticizer, which is an admixture that we put in the concrete on site in lieu of placing water in the concrete to bring up the slump or workability, if you will. Anytime you add water to concrete, you do two things. You reduce the compressive strength and you increase the amount of shrinkage in the material. As the concrete dries, the water evaporates into the air, the material wants to shrink, and you get excessive cracking. We don't add any water to the concrete on site at all, just super plasticizer.
You mentioned the vibration process. What does that do?
Well, the concrete, one of the main ingredients in concrete is cement. Cement particles want to stick together. So the vibration and also the super plasticizer force the cement particles to separate so that they can become more completely hydrated by